If you're a human watching this, your odds of developing cancer during your lifetime are somewhere around 40%. Not great. But if you were an elephant, your chances would be way lower, despite the fact that your body would have about 100 times more cells. And that's kind of weird, right? More cells should mean more opportunities for mutations. More mutations should mean more cancer. But elephants, whales, and other huge animals seem to have missed that memo. This little scientific mystery is called Peto's paradox, and it's been confusing researchers since the 1970s. Essentially, the paradox says, why don't big animals with way more cells get way more cancer? It would be like giving every person on Earth a lottery ticket and only finding one winner. Statistically, it makes no sense, unless you realize that maybe the game's rigged. Turns out, it kind of is. In elephants, for example, the secret lies in their DNA repair systems. While humans have one copy of a gene called TP53, which acts like a cellular bodyguard that tells damaged cells to stop dividing, elephants have 20. Yep, 20. That's like hiring 20 bouncers for one nightclub. If a cell tries to misbehave, it's immediately kicked out of the party. And by kicked out, I mean the cell is told to self-destruct. It's not just elephants, though. Naked mole rats are almost immune to cancer, too. And they don't even have fancy TP53 upgrades. Instead, their cells produce a sticky goo called hyaluronic acid that seems to keep their cells from crowding each other and going rogue. Whales, same story, different trick. Their genomes show a lot of duplicated tumor suppressor genes, and their cells are unusually good at avoiding errors during replication, which is great because a whale is basically a floating continent of cells. Meanwhile, we humans are, well, doing our best. Evolution didn't give us 20 tumor suppressor genes, we got one. And some people don't even get that working properly, thanks genetics. But even though these animals have cancer-resistant features, they're not completely immune. Elephants still get cancer, it's just super rare. And in the wild, most animals don't live long enough to develop age-related diseases anyway. So part of the reason we see cancer more in humans is because we've done such a good job staying alive long enough for our cells to eventually betray us. The price of a long life is giving your cells more time to make mistakes. Still, studying these cancer-resistant animals could help us improve treatments, or even design preventions. Imagine getting a genetic upgrade based on a naked mole rat. Thanks for watching.